this is Cyberdragon. Today I'm going to talk about an entrepreneur called Phil Covington. He's a mentor and an expert on Amazon affiliate programs. What he does is help users, like regular people, like how to make money on Amazon, how to optimize revenue, how to avoid risks. And you can contact him through his email address, which is on the first banner. And he also has a YouTube channel, and it's 100% free. And he'll give you a free ebook. You can take his classes and purchase his hot Amazon products and learn how to optimize your Amazon listing, how to make it draw traffic to your website or your social media account to get or make your followers look at your products, see if they want to buy and make a purchase. Let's see what else is there. It's copyright 2020, so his videos are pretty much legit. To get a free book and create your own Amazon business, hit the link below. Take me to the courses. You can enroll in the courses. So let's see how much they charge. Those are mostly testimonials from all the people who use it. You learn exactly every information from him one-on-one or in a group class. And the course can apply to Canada, Belgium, France, etc. in the United States. So the introduction to the course. You must enroll in the class in order to unlock the information. So all you gotta do is just hit the sign up button. Watch his videos. Alright, for the free guy, in order to get, all you gotta do is hit the free guy. And then it'll show you what the company is about, how to market research on Amazon, and it'll tell you how to make money. First, you create an Amazon seller account, or you can do their affiliate program, and then list the copy links, post on social media, post on your website, post on YouTube videos, and everything will be done by the company. Package label, everything. And this is pretty much 100% free. So if you don't know anything about how to make money from Amazon, download his free ebook. That's what I done for a lot of companies, like on Amazon, eBay, any of that. A lot of people are advertising give you a free ebook, how to start it. Just read the ebook, test out the program. If you like it, continue it. If it doesn't help you maximize the amount of income you want, you can find another program. But these are all designed to make you small side incomes. You earn through commission based. So if you enroll into this program, I don't know if they'll charge you for it, but leave a comment below so see how it works. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit the notification bell, and I hope to see you guys next time. Goodbye.